What's up everyone? Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. Today I have an interesting thing to show you. We're still in lockdown, so I haven't been able to get out and about and explore and do the kind of stuff I want to be doing, especially during the springtime here because it's been really nice out, which is a bummer, but whatever, I guess it is what it is. So I have something I'm going to show you here in the garage. We're just going to take a peek on it and open it up and see what it's all about. And what I'm talking about is, so I was walking around the store and I stumbled across this and I was like, well, I gotta check this out. It's a one whole chicken in a can. So, like I said, I had to buy it. It wasn't exactly cheap. It was $10. I don't really know what a whole chicken really costs. I never really pay attention, but seems steep. Maybe not. So, we're going to crack this open. We're going to look inside, see what it's all about. I'm probably going to eat it because I don't want to waste a whole chicken. So why not make like a soup or something out of it? And yeah, let's see what's in the can. As we can see, it's one whole chicken in a can without giblets, packed in broth. 3 pounds, 2 ounces, 50 ounces. Alright, let's look at the ingredients here, the nutrition facts. It's really not bad. Some sodium, good protein, no sugar. I like the ingredients, just chicken broth and salt. No preservatives. I guess the salt's just a preservative. USA. Fully cooked, eat cold or hot. Soups has a chicken and dumpling recipe on it. Do not heat in can. Quite interesting, huh? Alright. Well, let's open this thing up and see what's inside. Nice hiss. Crappy can opener, apparently. Set this off to the side. Okay. Let me see. Looks like the butt of the chicken. Looks like just fat jiggling around there. See if you can. Alright, let's pour this out onto a dish here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. I'm guessing that's all fat. Maybe brothy, fatty. No, it doesn't really look like broth, but. Oh. 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 Okay, so we have a whole chicken. Well, this is something interesting. Looks like they cut those tips off right there. Let's take a little closer look at this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because this is something else. You know, my thing is canned meat. Yeah, I've been around canning a lot in my life, and canned meat's always an interesting one because, you know, the fats and stuff. So it goes bad pretty quick. So to be able to have an entire bird canned with such little ingredients, just salt. It's very, very interesting on how it doesn't really just go bad. Oh. Alright, let's take a look at this. So it still has the skin. And that's your breast meat. Oh, it looks like the, oh yeah. Look, the skin's just like a slobbery goop. See, you just peel the skin right off. Whoa. No. Alright, let's see about just pulling this leg off here. Okay, so the meat is very, very tender. Just falls off. Look at that. Must not have fit in the can because they snipped the... I'm assuming that's why they snipped that, is to get it in the can. That's my guess. I'm just going to take this and set it over in the can because I'm not going to put the bones in chicken soup. Like I said, I'm going to eat this. I don't see why not. Actually, you know what? Let's try it. It doesn't look appetizing at all. But let's go ahead and try a piece here. Let's, I guess, try the most appetizing looking piece there is. Alright, let's give this a shot. Okay. That's very interesting. It literally tastes like an unseasoned roasted chicken. A little watery. You hardly taste any salt at all. Yeah. It just tastes like a, let's see, if you ever had those canned chickens in those small tins, kind of tastes like that, has a texture of that, but way less salt. They don't have much salt in this at all. It's actually kind of good. Look at that. There's some bones. Let's see if the rib cage just, oh yeah, just falls apart. There's the rib cage. Or the breastbone, I guess. Some other bones left behind. Huh. I wonder how tender the bones are. Here, let's grab the other leg. Gross. Let's just see if we can't break this bone. Well, it's pretty strong. It feels, oh. Well, I still feel like that was not, yeah, no, it's still pretty strong. Some decent bone marrow in there. That's really good stuff, actually. I like the bone marrow, but I'm not going to try to eat it. Part of the tail. Oh gosh. Well, I guess it's just gonna be good just throwing it into a pot and heating it up, I guess, huh? Just separate all the bones out. Some more bones. Hey, check it out. I found the, what is this, the wishbone? Alright, let's see. Let me know below, does the right hand win or does the left hand win? Here we go. Hey, the right hand won. Nice. Okay, well, I guess now we know what the inside of a whole canned chicken looks like. What is this? It's like the spinal. spinal. Yeah, look at that. That's the spinal cord. Gross. See that? That right there, I believe is the... Oh man. It's just a chicken soup at this point. Let's get in here and find the bones. And they always tell you not to play with your food. I just had to. I had to check it out. Alright. I think it's time. I'm just going to throw it into a pot and put it on the stove and just let it simmer with some vegetables and maybe put some noodles in with it and have a noodle soup. I don't see why not. Alright, let's go ahead and try another piece before we take it in the house. Yeah. It's just unsalted chicken meat. It's really what it tastes like. I wonder why they came up with this. I guess it's super simple. I mean, you can eat it hot or cold. So reality is it's a good survival food if you had a bunch of it. Really good protein. So, I mean, it makes sense if you stocked up on a bunch of it, but it doesn't seem to last very long. Yeah, Best Buy February 1st, 2021. So this thing could have been sitting on the shelf for 3 years for all I know. Who knows? I don't know very many people that would buy this, but I could be wrong because there's a lot of people out there that like to buy weird stuff. So, all right, we're going to go ahead and get this on the pot and make some food out of it. I appreciate you watching. And then until next time, hopefully I can get out in the forest and go explore, get the kayaks out or something here soon. Hopefully all this will blow over soon, but looks like it's going to be a little while. So stay safe out there, everybody. Try to stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. On to the next adventure. Never thought I'd be eating a whole chicken out of a can.